Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through a simple but really helpful tip on how to set alerts for syncing updates to your files on Google Drive. If you've ever felt unsure whether your documents, photos, or important work files have finished syncing, this quick setup will make sure you're always kept in the loop. Let's jump right into the steps. First, grab your phone and go straight to your device's settings. This is where all the main controls for apps and notifications live. Once you're inside, scroll down and tap on Apps. Every application installed on your phone will show up here. Next, find and select Google Drive from that list. This is the app we want to adjust so that it notifies you properly about syncing progress. Once you've tapped on Google Drive, look for the option labeled Notifications. Give that a tap to open up all of the different notification settings specifically available for Drive. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see something called Notification Categories. This is where you'll find different types of alerts that Google Drive can send you. Go ahead and tap on Notification Categories to expand the list. Now, scroll down a bit until you see the section labeled Other. Within this category, there's a specific option called Syncing Updates to Files. This is exactly what we need. Tap on it to bring up the available alert settings. Here, you want to choose Alert. By doing this, anytime Google Drive is syncing a file or updating a document, you will get a clear notification to let you know what's happening. That way, you won't be left guessing whether your files are safely uploaded and updated. And that's it. You've now set your Google Drive to send alerts for syncing updates. This small adjustment ensures your files are always organized, up to date, and easy to track, leaving you with one less thing to worry about. If staying connected to your files matters to you, setting alerts like this is a great habit. Give it a try and enjoy that extra peace of mind, knowing your files are all in sync.